What's up, guys? This is your boy Passive Crypto checking in again with another video. This video is how to buy Bitcoin in 2020. But before I get started, I really would appreciate it if you guys tap that subscription tab and tap that notification bell. That way you will be the first ones to see my videos when they drop. Today I'm going to talk about Shapeshift. Shapeshift to me is a very interesting platform because they have a Fiat To Crypto Gateway where you don't have to do KYC. That's right, you don't have to do KYC. You can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum with your debit card, and the transactions are near instant. They do have a video on that. I will show you that in a second, but let's look at the fees. To buy Bitcoin or Ethereum with your debit card, the fee is 1.9% plus 30 cents. So it's under 2%. The daily limit is $250. I think one workaround, just thinking outside of the box, would be to have multiple accounts with different emails and different debit cards. I've looked at the website. I didn't see any restrictions on how many accounts you can have, so I'm assuming that you can have multiple accounts. They do have support. If you have any questions, you can reach out to them, and I'm sure they'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now let's watch the video on how to buy on the platform. And they bought the crypto in under 1 minute. The video in the beginning is kind of blurry. I apologize for that, but that's just how it shows on their platform. It does clear up towards the end. You see, it happened in under 1 minute, and they bought some Ethereum. So I think that's dope, man. I think this is a very interesting platform. They do have KYC also if you decide to trade out of Bitcoin or Ethereum. I know most people aren't fans of it. It's not required, but if you want to do trading, you can do KYC. And the benefit of KYC is free trading and no commissions. They will give you 100 free Fox tokens for trading on this platform with the KYC, and that equals to an amount of $1,000 worth of free trading every month. That free trading is from month to month, meaning that every month you will get 100 free Fox tokens. So you don't have to buy the Fox tokens. There's nothing else to do. You just wait from month to month, and they will give you automatically 100 free Fox tokens, so you can trade commission free long as you do KYC. They do have over 50 assets that can be traded. The most popular assets I would say probably would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, Monero, Basic Attention Token, Chainlink, MCO, Kyber Network, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, IOST, Binance Token. They also have stable coins like TrueUSD, Paxos, Psy, USDC, USDT. So they do have a lot of trading pairs. This is a non-custodial exchange, which means that they don't hold your deposits. You use wallets like Portis, KeepKey, your Treasure, and Ledger, which gives you control of your keys, which ultimately means that you control your crypto. So you don't have to worry about hacks or people stealing your crypto. You are the custodian of your own crypto. So that's why I think it's also another reason why it's an interesting platform. Outside of the user interface, is very straightforward. It's not like most exchanges. It's pretty simple. You just basically pick what you want to sell, pick what you want to buy. They give you automatically they add up everything for you, and you just hit start to trade, and that's pretty simple. Let's go back to the fees. If you wanted to use your bank account, you can see the fee is pretty cheap, 0.5%. The average transaction for that is 5 business days. You can trade $2,500 weekly. With that, I think you do have to do KYC. The average processing time on the exchange, trading as of 3/26/20, the 24-hour trading total within the last day or so is 438 seconds. And if I did my math right, I think that's around 7.5 minutes. So that's for trading between altcoins. The Fiat To Crypto Gateway is pretty much instant. The processing time on altcoins isn't the greatest, but it isn't the worst either. 7.5 minutes is not that long, but it's not short either. But I think it's pretty decent. With that being said, I think I covered everything in this video. I really do appreciate it for you guys watching this video, and please give me a thumbs up or smash that like button, and peace. I'm out.